Hi, my name is Justin, Production Manager here at Glenshaw Auto Service. Do you own a hybrid or electric vehicle or are maybe thinking of purchasing one in the near future? If so, then you may want to stick around. It's no secret that hybrid and electric vehicle production is rapidly on the rise, and with battery technology getting better and better, we see this trend continuing. In fact, it's being predicted that by 2025, hybrid and EVs will account for 30% of the vehicle sales in the US. And General Motors has already announced that by 2035, they will solely produce full electric vehicles. This is why we at Glenshaw Auto have taken the initiative to really embrace what's coming and shift much of our attention to this market. We have gone through extensive training on how to properly and safely service current and future hybrids and EVs. This brings me to my next point, which is that we believe that due to unique and complex systems that make up these vehicles, we strongly recommend having them serviced by technicians who have the training and truly understand the technology that makes these vehicles what they are. Hybrids and EVs have already proven to be much more reliable and have a lower cost of ownership if, and that's a big if, they are properly cared for and maintained. We feel that we truly have our customers' best interest when it comes to servicing these vehicles and maximizing the benefits of owning a hybrid or electric vehicle. So if you have a hybrid or EV and are looking for a place to have it serviced, then give us a call at 412-487-9902 or visit our website at glenshawauto.com to schedule an appointment.